All right, Adam. Pacho, let's manage the time for me. I beg you.
This one is a very short conversation.
Good.
Patapaa,
boss.
Congratulations on your marriage. Akuna Swedro brothers. That's where I was born.
Hey.
And
Munya some questions.
That's where I was born.
I want to say it's very important.
I went to Happy Home. I went to Norway. And also just over the weekend I was there and I met Freebody. And I was at CLK too. It was nice. After your wedding, I read some things about you where you said your colleague artists are Omambano, Omuye Jones and Jealous. Did you say that? And Pacho Omu invitation.
Because maybe Bibia maybe no. When it comes to social media handles, my manager. And a manager so for the Bibia Maden artist. Well, for them artists. But what is Buawa? Before Babani Ankoni program, you want to take something from you. Because Obasha me it's a fire born at me babe for me mammy boom petrol be when dim be for me. You only be money. They say when you call yade and now what is yade? That's your inviter. So first now then Oba.
Mewa Patapaa, before you progress, you will be a friend of name and shame. And where I can careful be at home. And she also say Ufita Shata. What do you mean now? Who your name and shame now? One mom invitation.
Shatter you, yeah. Shatter you.
Oh yeah, shatter. One mom invitation, Mamba.
Oh, radio the mean said I'm here then.
And then can you say the moon now for because only more Mamba no.
Shatter so Wamba.
Woman invitation.
Messi Shatter Wamba.
Woman invitation.
Mr. Sammy. My mom invite.
Yeah.
Medemo, what's up?
Yes,
yes. And now we'll see again 4 days. Now then starting to hear in our media. Radio so now they but artists now you we no messing now. You for them now. Who say we mistake we flay busy sorry obi to say when they not flay busy me sorry na my busy. Me do too. But you with you. You fact obi to say article say Onompo do one kasakra wamba or a John ama or you Krasimia ama but what so Ghana me best friend pan
but so no dey start time now no beef o
dabi ani mini Lewin issue no dey no be den because Lewin na me ne ham no wakoye ndum na article we go gina so which means we kukunti what do I say ye wo bi mu ti say
you free say the internet article 1 ama.
Oh, nim say bia na ono so na dwan ya sell we a sangof na wata ya mbodan fo ntimi fama dwen ko won because obi to say Stefia sorry for me to say me lunch abon you rent hotel also oba wamba I don't know the oba ka chance or buy na no hotel bi e ko high hotel won awogoni hu ana.
But their last, they may call nana.
Yes,
I also the whole thing.
But what that's you. But all the me then me buy until more a wonsu na one by a day. A woman. Tina Miss Wuniano.
Omuye Jones. Move on.
Ending on that part, Patapaa, I would suggest that some of these things you tone down because. As the industry, very well.
Yeah, but Easter Sunday. Easter Sunday. Or promote Dana Ebedu on also busy. My busy kakla. CEO. Or can you busy my busy kakla? At least on bakla my message be here then. Send a message here then. Yeah, the man. Boss, oh you ma busy my busy but minimum me then. Yeah. Sample ni panunya feeling be.
Into dia
Oh, the one poor by and Sanko be did to Funa or Kokeke.
Chantal come to but finally I would like to tell you say some of these things they are out there to because industry around Ukunipa Entebia Obese Shanipa
Adam that no answer. Who him say so to no book. Who be san. You know there was this question. That's the guy will say. Say who asked him and now I tell you
why them open news.
Why we say question because
Kawasem I can't find.
I guess feel say Patapaa is doing well. My name is for me.
Show nose mask, yeah.
Well, as I'm catch Adam. Well, I know I think Patapaa is doing well.
Yeah.
He continues concentrating on what he's doing. I mean, what he's known for. On question 2, well, because I think that he is known for it, and people love him for it. I feel that if Patapaa is trying to do 9 songs, and one,
what's he?
As one jumbo. Until Uncle now, when you now, people they feel for no. I mean, we all the feel.
But men can't question.
Okay, men can say, Uncle yet, and you want party songs. No, but see, sometimes, but likes saying it as it is. He likes saying it as it is, like say, so as artist me a Johnny and I mean, you can direct, or you wouldn't hide it around you. I feel sad. All the songs I've heard from Patapaa, which are party, no, people jam with the song. And it's been some long time since we hear a song which is like jamming from Patapaa. I feel sad. Very soon he should keep working at it. Everything. I mean, he's great. He's doing well. Everything around Patapaa is
newsworthy. Yeah.
So I feel, sir, he just continue doing what he's doing. He is known for saying his mind. Can I dream? Adam, be some question. No, more answer. No, can say Anthony.
Okay, yeah, Brian Paul.
Oh, no, busy boss. You consider me away. Yeah. Emma was sereno. Kosuna yes idea na meye. Eno ana me ka kire. Wonum ya nyuma, wunim ya Ghana for pen and one now serve wo. Into bro, just do what you do and I just want you happy, bro.
Okay. Patapaa, my last 2 questions near upon. Okay. First, almost so worry and who say okay honeymoon. The Monday now to radio so. I didn't know uncle honeymoon.
Honeymoon alampo kompo.
Oh, please, my team. I'm for here.
Say, a virus now. Come me honeymoon, say a quabuchi. By virus needs here, share a year central areas Nibia to protect ourselves more. So, Monday, no, I just passed through. And I'm a 1 or 2 things. Me down from there, Nana, we move to Bibia.
It's almost feel say one honeymoon and yampa.
Yampa because in that city and we here.
Yeah, very
because in that city and we here na can send invite Mobi. And tomorrow buy no. I say we dempo ukoda mase. Yeah. The next question here Onyom Medino. Ebi mu adwen say na space baby was so anka betimi afre Kumasi boys na ene yom kita drill music na obi 80 no ka betimi de ba ko bi ato so because your name is huge. We invite you obi an kontimi ka say memma ana oba be church no wancho. Kumasi for no.
Yeah, omo say omo kita drill music ya talk mo ne Kofi Jama mo na omo nyum e course na omo drill songs for system ni.
Odo omo ya de communicate ya de. In Jumwe na media ha won kakra. In Jumwe e nduma e hobi ti se sa akode but you tie me
with you pa
ana say I don't know I'm say sa akode because he need rap.
Yeah.
Nti entumba say nkofa ebia na communica boy na beden on be rap because me so member wo Kumasi Ras Lipo mo artist baby wo but man for one to so because be say me check Ghana for say me to about all type of music
songs. Okay.
And yama na kofu bia beto so na be guys me mpo na me yama Patapaa na ndem no. I believe in myself and I know what is on me. Me ni made wo me mu obai no call to ni mpo no a move within ye do be fofo ye den eto so a but in Jomono obi a would need na so a eboko e sack
na set minim set sack so ye unipa wa approach ni say e bia behia no say remix impo am na ba begina Madini so
obosha say ndum training no na akọ me bom ndum na say ekwa me man gab no na akọ say wan kwa na we si won ye remix won we ye say asana king obobo freedom.
Yeah.
Our boy freedom na say battle kakra shatwale nti me nkasa no me obi a me ye ndwom na say dim na say kwa me remix Mama de bear remix no. Me plan something different. Na me say no, ebia we chata da so a. Ana say sa kwode da so a na ebo move. Na no so akoye different tune. Yes, it's na me de oboni na ye den. Ejina so.
Oh, okay.
Because in Jumbi say me fa konka Jumbi say medical sa kwode obi no botuma akoso bi ewu. In Jumbi say
and they say aside nipa omo bakra say yenye remix kra na on share any interest omo sa.
Oh, and yes say one blast medical here. Me partner talk to him. La monale organize our here medical featuring Patapaa. Ti ono de my partner pa and then ya say me ka say yen business me yeah.
I see.
But na pese me hu oboni no nembo dembo. Say ne be ya bro chief no so. Say na what you meet no. Tuma ajima tum.
Okay. Patapaa, let's say this in English so she hears you, because I'll ask her the same question. What do you like about her most?
My wife.
Yeah, I'll ask her the same thing.
Everything,
including what and what, like your wife. Like if someone says, talk about your wife, what do you like about? Why do you love her? Why do you even decide to marry her?
I really like my wife. It's like we have lived like 3 years ago. 3 years, yeah. If I may say, we live like 3 years. So I know my wife long time, and I really like my wife. One thing I like my wife is whenever you want to market and you want to buy flag. Like Shatawale banding and that kind of things. Now we Patapaa no say boss only Patapaa do any mentor no I show no then which means the girl want to support man like Felana Medical yes and then I didn't then so I really love the girl.
I see. Leah, let me ask you the same thing. What is it that you like about Patapaa so much? What really made you decide that I want to make this man my life partner?
Like Patapaa said, the same thing. Like I love and like everything about him. I can't say only one thing. There are so many in my mind right now.
Mention some of them. Feel free.
For example, I like not the Patapaa, but the Justice Amoa in him. Like the one who is like caring. Especially last year, I fell sick. I was in Ghana and I was posting pictures still. People were like, "Oh, Leah, you are slimming down. You are really looking nice." Not knowing I was seriously sick. I had typhoid and malaria. I was seriously sick. I think I lost during a week 11 pounds.
Wow.
And I was serious. Patapaa bring me to three different hospitals. And he was like, every night, this 1 week, he have no sleep. Every time, like in the night, when I woke up, I saw him sitting next to me with the Bible. Wow. Like it was so sweet, yeah. Now when I think about it, it was so sweet. But that time it was annoying me. I say sleep. If you don't sleep, me too, I cannot sleep. And one time I was like I don't know if it was from the medication. You know, you guys medication are different than we have in Germany. So I had heart pain. I couldn't also eat, maybe because I was taking strong medication and I was not eating. I had heart pain. I woke up in the night. I just take off my dress. I went in the shower. I couldn't sit. I couldn't lay down. I really had pain in my heart and I couldn't talk. He was like, "What is going on? What's going on?" I went to the shower, took a cold shower, and then I saw him crying. I said, "Why are you crying?" He said, "Yeah, you are not feeling fine. How can I feel good?" And I don't know, like he was really trying to do everything for me to feel all right. And also like the way he respects my mother. I really like when he came to my grandmother's place, how he talked to them, how he respect them. Like when he left, after that, I even sat down with my family and I asked them, "What do you think about him?" You know, I have to know my family's mind,
they accept him or not.
And I was like, okay, when Patapaa is around, they will not be free to talk with me about it. So when he left, I sat down with them. I said, "Yeah," he said he wants to marry me. I have been to Ghana. I really like his family. My parents like the family of Patapaa too. So, but I wanted to know the opinion of my grandmother. Grandmothers are always very wise because they have gone through a lot, you know. So my grandmother said she really love him. Like they don't speak the same language, but the way Patapaa is, and I have showed her also the videos from his performance. My grandmother was like, "This voice from this small body," like she was super, and the music that he do. My grandmother was like, "What is he singing?" I said, "I don't know." And then she saw the video of one corner. She said, "What?" You know, my grandmother is not used to that. If she listened to Turkish music, and we don't do songs like that. And I say it's a little sexual, but I don't know exactly what they are saying. I cannot translate it well. But she really, really loved him. Every one of my family, there's not even one single person who said, Leah, you know, you have to think about it twice before you get
they everybody accepted him outright
because of the way he presents himself and also how he is showing me to the world. Patapaa is not ashamed of anything. He loves me. Even people who were against me, they talk bad about me, they insult me, they accuse me of things which I have not done, but Patapaa was always behind me. Wow. He have never disgraced me anyway. He have not disgraced, like if he disgraced me, he disgraced my family too. He have never done that. And I like also that he's straight. You know where you stand.
Yeah.
If he say he does not like you, you have to believe it.
Yeah.
He cannot not like you and smile into your face. He cannot. And I'm the same. So somehow we meet each other and we complete each other. There are many things that I like about him and I love about him. Is mostly about his character. So that's why nobody and nothing can really come between us if it's not God.
Wow. Has he been able to carry you before?
He tried. He said he's the one always come baby on my back. I say you will end up in the hospital. Are you sure? Every time I try to
boss I'm saying me you krumni
open age
me fi aguna diakwa.
Oh wow.
Me you school Greenfield into aguna say
me so me call Greenfield.
Yeah bay
me call Greenfield. That was Archer Yefi Maundry
Namako.
Yes, na your boss Paradise. If you want your call was it, you can start.
Wow.
Yes. You can start was it. Into what was a table dining me and me made for instance for Rati. I could be so a police in it. Also, no, a junior I work for.
And then I said, many for the code, the same international school, Greenfield.
Yeah,
nice.
I was your Dakano.
Mr. Chebisa, question in Jabusian.
I think, sir, I witnessed the one corner. I'm going to show you the stage now. I know me blue now be a roll on one corner. I think se me hui.
Oh wow.
Now from that time now ebe pim da ya minuto me kase ya. A lot of people had doubts say eh na Patapaa ne sound di obitu ma che. But Yankopon adom em say Yankopon so omo bi a che dia na asan so di inspiration ko bi so asan ka no ho. Intene bia obadwi pa badwi ho den kwa na me kwa de bia me fi se me ye nyi papa ba obi anti ba Patapaa ne de akoi. I think say they say de bia o ka no I'm say grace special grace be also I'm say obi an share dem ba on kwa na onim intino me question be say o hwe aguna sedra kwa kase be buo no cheya because talents be blow I mean we to go this star talent
taboo
yes a chey from kwa kase ansa na also over o hwe aguna sedra minim say otie e dan na o hwe emma boys na what talent no to want me emblem babonte
me ankasa de busy na me yobia te say kam na meti no sa na meti nti man bi no ma 100 we so one why street carnival be no wa family me ko gina so sana me yesa ne Yankopon se den o hwe me etum ba se why street carnival suodufunia warrior na wo de ma atena chi before I make a platform no so no wa ba homache 5 a wo ko bosses win ba for the nam na ade ni aden aba market wo so ma make say boys no ebemu ma wo so ebemu wo mo wo so because what to ndum ne kakra wo fi say wa aden wa apu me so edu mi taboo na mi godit na bia me ba bow tie if you are nkafunu wan shada wombuade nkafunu shada wombuade because obey obi mponi ndwuma ama na ewie no at the end of the day no bo akotena radios no eden oye yawo obon sa no mbom ndwuma na abeden abeye hit na me mbom mid na ma ayelo mo me ye no eden an ye hit so obe shila wo no obe kese wo there's a lot of boys
now she has a media FM station for now go this time one work or she also what talent no
because me generally say Blasami and na DJ me respect na on so mbom ndwum wo that's
true
say dey be me ba me ka say yan artist no More will push you know DJs and presenters no. Nti say one respect Zylofon na. Zylofon so one day one respect. Nti say station bo should say Golden Store Pon FM DJ Popa Monade. Artist bebe to me ya DJ Popa but ono so no be mo wako wenim. Nti obo ndum po on fa na I odon ye den. Yeah. Nti me say sa.
Okay, Mr. But I think the last one to on the wife, no? Yeah. What's the name? Leah. Okay, so my question is, so you lived there before you came to Ghana. So what are you going to add to your husband's brand in terms of what you've learned? I mean, talks of the culture and the music you listen. I mean, I'm sure that what you've listened to has broadened your space. I mean, your mindset. So what are you going to add to his crafts so that, I mean, we all want Patapaa to go international and it's already there. So what are you going to do as a wife to add to his brand?
That's the reason why I made the song with him, because my friends and my family are all over the world and especially also in Europe. And my friends helped me to support him. Like the song went really viral all over the world. It's really hit. I think the first 3 days it was all over. My phone was ringing and ringing and ringing. And I also have some friends in Germany who are musicians who really want to feature Patapaa, but they want to shoot the video directly. So, but the problem is that the German embassy in Ghana is closed. So the plan was
the German embassy is closed.
Yes, so normally
so like our man would have been gone long time.
Yes, after the wedding we wanted to go together back. But yeah, I think it will not be possible because I have to go back soon because of my work. But as soon as the German embassy is open, Patapaa will come to Europe, and I have some friends there who would like to feature him, and I think it's gonna be nice because Patapaa has already a song with a Nigerian musician. He have shoot the video already, but it's not out yet. And also some other musicians also from Europe, for Nigerian, Ghanaian, and UK. I think I will also be a part of it, but that time I will sing in German, so you guys have nothing to laugh anymore.
Nice. And I mean, before I end, big shout out to